on how to replace a rotten fence post. For this project you'll need 2 people and it should take you around half an hour to complete. You'll also need the following tools: a saw, a fence fast repair spur, a fence post, an adjustable spanner and ratchet set, a spirit level, a fence fast dolly and a sledgehammer. Take your saw and level off the top of the old fence post so that it's flush with the concrete. Take a fence fast repair spur and position it over the corner of the old post. Using a dolly and sledgehammer, carefully drive the repair spur between the old wood of the post and the concrete. Once the spur is in place, put your new fence post into the box and tighten the bolts with an adjustable spanner and ratchet set. A top tip here is to tighten the bottom 2 bolts first, as this will help to make sure the post is upright. While you're tightening the bolts, keep checking the post is vertical with your spirit level.